Hey gal pals, welcome back. So we're in Oregon now and we're visiting family.
I'm driving.
Jason's driving. We're about to go to an adventure with Desi and Gavin. The twins stayed with Grandma Leslie and we're at Detroit Lake right now.
We're going on a hike to, it's called Henline Falls or something. And there's an old gold mine there, and it's supposed to be pretty cool. And it's a real short hike for the kids. So it's supposed to be like 1.8 miles.
1.8 miles, guys.
Round trip.
Perfect.
Oh, my neck's so sore after that drive. That was bumpy.
That was worse than our trip to...
Desi, what are you ready to do?
I'm ready to climb up a mountain. Yeah, me too.
Yeah. They get pretty excited.
Climb up
All
the
right.
mountain.
We just made it here to the trailhead. We got a couple people here, so
Daddy.
we'll see how long it takes us.
It said.
Wish us luck.
Wait, why is it? Dad, there's a map there.
Yeah. You scared of worms?
Yes.
Why?
There, behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you.
What is it?
What does it say?
Oh, funny.
What letter?
With me.
What are you eating?
Who's gonna eat these with me?
Gavin, are you gonna eat a leaf? Like a dinosaur?
Thank you.
That's all you had to say. What does it taste like? Like a leaf?
Don't eat it. Don't swallow it though. Just chew it and taste it.
Chew it and then spit it out after you chewed it. There you go.
Tastes good.
It tastes good.
Gal pals.
What does it taste like?
Like apples, like green apples.
Yep, that's what it tastes like.
Just chew it, and then once you're done chewing it, you spit it out, okay? You don't swallow it. It's like a heart.
Yeah.
Wow, you learn something new every
You
time.
never done that before, babe?
No. Chew, chew, chew. And then once you're done chewing, what does it taste like?
Apple green.
Yep.
Daddy, that was that put right there.
Where? Oh my goodness. What is that? Where is it? Jason, you're not doing that, are you?
That's a big bug.
You don't want to crawl on me. That's a centipede, you guys. Look at all of his legs.
Yeah, it's a centipede. My son, don't let it crawl on you. It's poisoned. It might shoot poison at you.
This is the mom of the group, people.
Just put him right here then.
I'm gonna eat this leaf.
Okay.
Put him
Why?
down here on
And
the
then
ground.
just
he was on
don't swallow
the-
it.
He was on the ground before. Come on, Dad. What are you excited to see when we get there?
This is the bigger stick. I wanna smell the stick in your
Do you just want to see the sticks?
Yeah. I want a very long one, but I can't have a very big one. Just like a small one.
Okay.
Like a small one.
Okay, we'll find you a good one, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna in any house. See a waterfall! Can I see the waterfall? Oh, Mimi. I see a little bit of the waterfall. It's big, the waterfall. I see it. The waterfall. Dad, look up there. It's right there. Right there.
Stay here, Gavin. Careful, it's slippery. How's it feel?
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay guys, this is the coolest part. You ready for this? I'm not gonna do this with the kids. But look at this. Where does it go?
That's it for today. Is that rain or what?
Is that a bald eagle? What a huge bird. That's not rain.
Okay. Does that make it big?
That was just
Alright now pals, that's it for today. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And
what a trip.
what a trip. Look at that. Woo-wee.
I'm addicted to the love that you're giving.